Hi friends, here I have the MX digital video recorder. This is a 4 channel recorder. I got it from my home. Let's have a small unboxing and a review of this. At the back we have lots of features. Here's main application, control management system, 3G mobile surveillance. Here you see so much features we have. Supports 2 TB hard disk, auto maintenance, it supports IP address, dynamic USB Wi-Fi connection is there, backup and upgrade by USB port, VGA ports. There are so many. Let's unbox this. This product is made in India. It's mentioned in the box. Here we have the remote, CD which has the application to install it into your Android device, and your catalog. Here we have the DVR. And another box is there. Here we have the mouse and power adapter. Coming to the DVR, here we have the front panels, MX securities. These buttons are touch sensitive. And coming to the back, you have the VGA port to connect to your monitor or TV. Here are 4 channels, video out, audio input, and the LAN port. And we have 2 USB, one for mouse and the other is for backup. That's RS485 port and main switch on off and the power supplies. Here I have a indoor camera and a outdoor bullet camera to connect it to my DVR. These are analog cameras. Here it's mentioned as IR cut filter, Japanese mechanical system. This is the indoor camera. There are the screws, and here is the camera. The plastic quality is good. It has IR sensors and a LDR sensor for night vision. Here we have 2 cables, one for the video and one for the power. And this is rotatable, you can keep it at whichever angle you want. Coming to the outdoor camera, this one supports from 30 to 40 meters. The features you can see, it is weatherproof housing, high efficiency IR for day and night applications. This one, as you see, it has Toshiba lens in it, Toshiba sensor. Let's open this. It has very good packing. Here is the outdoor camera. This one is metal. This also is metal. It's very strong. The build quality is so nice. Here we have the MX name in it. Here we have the camera and the IR sensors and the cable.